And welcome to the channel. The name is Raj and I will be your host. And in case if you're wondering or even being a little inquisitive about what this channel has to offer you, the idea or the objective behind setting up this particular channel or the platform, as you may want to call it, is to empower each and every one of us to seek those skills that are essentials, not just for our everyday lives, but also for our professional lives, so that we could constructively use those skills to our benefits and also try to achieve the kind of success that we've always been dreaming of. And not just that, but it also helps us in understanding the nuances of oneself, navigating through the general life or the professional life at all times and under all kinds of circumstances and contexts. I'm sure that everyone across the board understands at this point in time and this day and age that upskilling is very important for us all. Regardless of the age group that we're in, it always becomes essential for us to be equipped with whatever the kind of skills that one needs, that they feel is essential for the requirement of the situation, or no matter where you are, or the kind of people that you meet with, or the kind of challenges that you need to overcome, be it the day-to-day basis or at a different level or at the professional level. One needs to be really equipped with all these skills so that they can be readily face whatever the kind of situation or the challenges or the kind of people they meet up with in everyday lives or at a different or a professional level. I'm not saying that I'm going to change the course of everyone's lives that's watching this particular channel, but I certainly believe that I can make one small difference in everyone's lives. And even if I could make that one small difference, and I'm sure people will be left with wanting for more. Being the first time in front of the phone's camera, I have never felt comfortable. If you really would like to know, I'm totally a nervous wreck at this point in time. I'm having all kinds of breakdowns, and I'm sure that I'm not coming out as clearly as I should. But for the first time, I think I'm making enough effort to drive home a point of why this particular channel is created. It will also help us to understand the kind of skills that are needed for us essentially to qualify or be even relevant with the changing times and trends. And by way of learning these skills and nuances, it will also empower us for us to be relevant with the current changing times and trends, so that we are readily available for the next available offer that are to come away, so that we are well prepared in advance, that we have an edge over everything that's happening around us, which matter to us most, to be able to face any kind of challenges at any given point in time. I'm sure everyone expects their presence to be felt, respected, valued, no matter where they are and what kind of people they are with. But to earn that, one needs to get accustomed with the kind of skills that one needs. You can keep adding more to their brilliance, and already existing skills can be developed with giving yourself the enough ample time and practice and opportunities for you to go ahead and learn whatever that is needed to be learned along the way, and also understanding the kind of nuances that one needs to get along with the people around you, not just the people, but also the kind of situations that one might be in now or in the near future. One never knows what kind of challenges that come your way in everyday lives or at a professional level. One needs to be equipped and be ready to face those kind of challenges with the kind of confidence that one must have by imbibing and inculcating and developing and implementing all these necessary skills is the idea behind this particular channel. And that's what we will strive to look for. Guys, I strongly recommend that you come out of the comfort zone. When I say comfort zone, it kind of provides you with cushion. That cushions your thoughts, your ideas, and hinders your progressive thoughts or your processing of the knowledge, is because the cushion actually convinces you to think that you already have, have enough skills and that you are familiar with so many skills. Learning new skills, and it kind of hinders the opportunity that you really need to give yourself to understand and learn new skills and start implementing towards your growth, be it personally or professionally. And in keeping up with trends and times these days, one must really get out of that comfort zone. And what you rightly deserve is to give yourself that opportunity, that ample time to immerse yourself in understanding new skills that are required at this point in time to keep up with the current trends and times, so that you can be relevant for everything that you do, for every endeavor that you are trying to pursue now or in the near future. But you need to be that ready person and have an edge over everything that is being offered to you. And by all this, I mean, it does not really matter what kind of situation that you might be into or what kind of people that you might run into now or in the near future. You will always have this upper hand of knowing the information firsthand. By using those necessary skills, you would probably engage yourself in researching and developing those very skills and start implementing effectively, so that not only helps you to emerge as winners in every situation that you're in, but also give you enough confidence to be that person who is looked up by the rest of the people around you. It is really inevitable these days for us to be relevant with the changing times and trends, to keep ourselves updated, so that we are relevant not only with the times and trends, but also the offers that are coming our way now or in the future, so that we can be readily available to accept the kind of offer that comes our way, so that we do not feel out of place or left out of the crowd that grabs the opportunity. And as far as I know, I've seen most of the people are just about happy or satisfied with being just a number in the crowd. Okay, if there are about 100 people working at an office space, then being the 101st person in the crowds, some people that I know of are very happy and very satisfied with the position. But that's not how it should be now, is it? Now, that's a question you need to ask yourself, whether you just want to be the number in the crowd, or you want to be something unique, or even being the cut above the rest kind of a person. And also, while trying to perfect the skills that we have learned over the period of time, it also needs some time of yours, some personal attention in understanding the depth of the particular skill, and also trying to develop and start, before starting to implement it in your own personal and professional lives. All it needs is a little bit of a practice and little bit of understanding the intensity of what a particular skill can actually offer you. And once you have understood, I'm sure it kind of becomes very easy for you to start developing that particular skill, so that you can implement it or inculcate it even better for your own benefits. And for an introduction video, I think I've spoken too much. I don't want it to be lengthy and start boring you. I immensely thank you for your kind hearts and your patience for having stuck around this long on this video. Although it has not much to offer, but still you guys stuck around. I once again thank you for your kind hearts and your patience. God bless you all. Now, just to be relevant for the future videos as well, I would very much appreciate if you could hit that subscribe and like button, and also share this particular channel in case if you're willing to, so that we actually stay relevant for future videos and more videos to come by. And I'm sure I will make the future videos more relevant and more relatable to you, with enough supporting content such as video clips and images, so that you could actually relate your personal and professional lives with it and learn a few things here and there with each topic that I will be presenting. And once again, I thank you very much for your patience and kind hearts. I will see you in the next video. God bless you all once again, and thank you and take care.